Hi, I'm Amelia here at Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this used Toyota bZ4X Premier Edition. This silver Toyota comes with a panoramic roof and is an all-electric vehicle with a 64 kilowatt battery and has a range of up to 257 miles. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you see the LED headlights, which just help you see even more clearly during any weather conditions when you're on the road. Moving down towards the wheel of the car, you find 20-inch 5 double-spoke design alloy wheels, giving the car that really sporty look. This Toyota does come equipped with a 360 parking camera and also front and rear parking sensors, just to aid you when you're parking and manoeuvring the vehicle at any time. The boot of this car can hold up to 452 litres of space, perfect for when you need to fit in a larger items or just normal everyday to-day use. It also comes paired with a power operated tailgate just for more convenience when you're loading and unloading the vehicle. All seats in the car are finished in a twin leather, with the rear bench seating up to 3 passengers, all with plenty of legroom and plenty of headspace. The rear of the cabin doors also come equipped with 2 USB Type-C ports, perfect for when you need to charge any mobile devices whilst you're on the go. Both the driver and the passenger chair come with a 3-level intensity heated seat function and 4-way lumbar support, and the driver's side is also electrically adjustable. It also has a memory function setting with the panel, which is situated just on the driver's side door. Throughout the cabin of the car there is the JBL Sound system, just providing even higher quality audio throughout the cabin for any passengers. The onboard touchscreen allows functions such as Google Maps to use for navigation, you can stream DAB and FM radio, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth, and you can also use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below are your climate controls for the car, where you can set your preferred temperature of the cabin and also reactivate the heated seat function and the ventilation function for both sides. In the centre console you find your gear selector and your handbrake, and moving further back you have a wireless charging pad, a USB port, 2 cup holders and a centre armrest. So that concludes the walk around of this used Toyota. For any further inquiries, please contact a member of the sales team here at Stafford Audi.